Okay, so in this video we're checking out the Eachine TX06 all-in-one FPV camera. And this one here is actually on flash sale right now as of today for like 10 bucks I think, which is half the price of the camera that's in a lot of these all-in-one cameras are in the whoops here, like the UAV, the UR65, US65, UK65, I think these are also in like the Snapper 7, Snapper 6, and the Mobula 7 I believe as well. However, I'm going to actually use this camera here as a replacement for the one that comes in the UAV UR65, because this was one of the first generation ones. It did come in one of these all-in-one cameras, but it didn't support smart audio, even though the flight controller here does support smart audio. But this one here, the Eachine TX06 does. So I'm going to swap this one in. Obviously I'm going to have to cut the wires and cut the connectors off and do some soldering. And we'll take off this camera here, remove that one, desolder that off of here. That's where the connectors are over there. And then there is a pad right over there. Kind of hard to see. Right there. It's a TX3. That's the transmit on UART 3. And I'm going to enable smart audio on that one on the flight controller, and I believe smart audio on this one here is the green wire. And so there's yeah, let's see, where's the wiring diagrams here. So the white wire is video in, the yellow is video out. There's actually two grounds on here. I'm only going to use one of them, and then there's the green, which is smart audio. So you can use the button, of course, if you want, and the LEDs, but I'm obviously going to be using smart audio because I want to be able to use that feature on this one. I'll still fly this guy around, even though you guys haven't seen this in like 6 months. It's still an awesome flyer. Everything still works on that, no problems, and yeah, this actually I like this one better than the US65, the other one, the second generation of this one. I've actually flown this one around more than the US65. Anyway. Go ahead, just, should be pretty simple. I'm going to cut off some of these connectors here, remove the old camera, desolder, and then resolder this one into one here, and I think they should be the same size. And one other thing I'll probably do is maybe make this hole here a little bit bigger, because this has a little bit bigger antenna than this one here, so I'll have to drill out that hole a little bit. And I'll be right back with the new camera in here, and I'll show you some flight footage.